Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue with our same chapter that we had studied on our we had discussed in our previous class, which is about the evolution of transport and communication. And in our previous class, we studied about how important it was for the development, or how transport evolved, and how in each and every steps how it developed from one part to the another and gave a new phase to the whole transport system, whereas aeroplanes were discovered, then ships, heavy luxurious ships are discovered, and uh, cars, buses, on-road vehicles, then railway system. We all studied about all these things, how it evolved, and in how and what circumstances it developed in the coming up times, and it made a transport system much easier and convenient for the people to reach faster, to reach at a very low cost, and in certain cases where people use this transport system in various different ways for different purposes. Then we discussed about the communication system. What is communication? That is getting information or ideas transmitted from one person to the another, or told or informed from one person to the another in different ways. Now earlier we studied in this chapter that how communication was done earlier. Like primitive times, it was seen that people even did not know how to talk, how to communicate with each other. They had their own sign languages. Some used smokes, beating of drums, where some of the system of communicating would be easily heard. So it was also used as a means of communication as well as a means of entertainment for the people later on, as it was developed from one part to the another. So radio played a very important role in the lives of the people, which later on gave a very important and unique dimension to the development. Now we also see that in later television was also evolved, or television was also developed, and television helped people into a very important and a very different way. Now it is seen that it was John Bird who developed television. Now television played a very important role. Now television played a very important role into the whole communicative system. Now it changed the total mind point of people, or thinking of the people in a different way. Now John Logie Bird was considered as the person who was responsible for the development of television. Now he invented television in the year 1926, and television brought a different dimension, or it brought a different form of communication into the lives of the people, where earlier when radio was there, it was just a one way, you can say it was just a one way communication, where people can only hear the person speaking on radio. But television was such way where people can not only can see but also can form their own communicative system. Now we have those systems, and whereas radios in the earlier times were the thing that which can be heard only, it was not visible how it is going on, what the pictorial kind of things were not available. But in television, it was not only an audible form of communication but a visible form of communication system. So it was both visual and audio communicative system that was there, where people could live see the programs, what was going on and how it was going on. So as radio, it was quite different, and it was an total change into the lives of the people in regard to communication system, whereas they could visually see what was happening or what is happening throughout the world through various news channels, what are the different entertainment programs that we have in different forms that were used or were most probably used by people for their own leisure time. So television plays a very important role. Now in modern times also we see that television has changed a lot. It has modernized in such a form that it is not only, you can say it is not only a system of television that is used for a purpose of television purpose, what was there earlier, but various different gadgets or important machines that have been introduced into it or developed into it. It has made television a new equipment, whereas not only on one-sided communication, whereas people can communicate on the both side. The person who is talking and the person who is listening can also communicate. It is in such a way where it has become, you can call it as a smart form of communicative system it has turned out to be. So television has also played a very important role where it not only has a stipulated period of time or a restricted period of time, it goes on for 24/7. That is the whole day and night it can be seen or it can be known, or people can get information through it. The next is about computer and internet. One of the most important communicative system that we have, we all might be knowing how important computer and internet is. As we all know that computer was invented by Charles Babbage, who invented computers a very long period of time. And as the change went on, like we are talking about televisions, how changes came in televisions also, the formation or the utilization of television or the total inside of the television, or how it changed from one form to the another. In the same way, computers also, when it was after its invention, came out with new evolutions or came out with new systems into it by itself. And how computers at present we see has become a very important means of communication, which not only provides us information, but it also helps us in various different ways, where we can send messages to different part in the different part of the world, where relatives or our loved ones or anyone to whom we want to communicate in just within a minute of time. And in that process only, internet to it has it is like a blessing for the human race, where communication system has increased to a very larger extent, where computer as well as internet system is utilized in such a form that in present time it has become one of the important means of communication. For example, through internet that we use, we can connect to our computers or into our mobile phones that we have now. It is also one of the means of communication, modern means of communication, that is our mobile phones. Whereas we can send messages instantly, we can send details to not only to one individual but multi peoples. We can send a message at one time. So it is, you can consider it is one of the mass media communication system, where people can be informed in a large number into one single time or one single go. Now this is how computers and internets are very much important, and there are various different reasons. Email are one of the reasons. Then you have presentations that we prepare, the communication that we are having on our phones or computers, that is called online educations that we are having. All is because of the development of computer system, the softwares, and the internet system that is connected to it. So this plays a very important role. Now telephones in this regard also has an important role that we all know. It was initially just a wired handled telephone system, where dialing procedures were there in the earlier times, in the middle period. But as it changed, now this telephone also has changed in a lot of new kinds or into modernization. Whereas we have seen earlier, when telephones were there, it could not be carried from one place to another. It was either heavy, or due to the wire connection that it is there, it has to be placed in a fixed place. But still, that also played a very important role at users. It was helping us to communicate in just one single dial from one place to a far away distance place. Later on, then we got codeless wireless codes that were used without wires, which had a limited restrictions of area to be traveled or taken. Then at present we have mobile phones that plays a very important role into our lives, as we know that mobile phones which can be carried from one place to another easily, any distance. It has its own tower system and it has its own form of communication system. All important details or data can be fed in your mobile, as we have in present times. So mobile phones and telephones also played a very important role into the communication system, as we all very much know how and in what way changes have occurred in this telephone or mobile communication system, and how it has made people more communicative or more expressive in regarding to our communication system to our near and dear ones, where we can communicate instantly face to face from one place to another in no time. And earlier, where letters were written, it used to take 3, 4, 5, a number of days it used to take for reaching, and then the information transmitting from one person to the another. Now in just one click or one dial, you get communicated with your people in no period of time. So this played a very important role in our communication system and into our human development life. Now the next is about important things such as the existence of satellite system. Now we all know that there are various important machines that revolve around our earth, which are called as the artificial satellites. Now in this, what they do actually, they take pictures, they give us visual images from space. They give us visual images from space where we get to know about the weather condition, the geographical areas, any endanger that is going to be faced by the earth from outer spaces. So all important information about the climatic condition and various different things help in regarding to bringing about information through this satellite communicative system. It is also used in movement of planes, aeroplanes, where the communication system has become easier for the people to move from one place to another. So these are some of the important things that are mentioned in this chapter, where you learn about how transport as well as communication evolved and how it has become important into the lives of the people, and how it has brought changes into the human development and life, and then lot of other significant changes have also procedurally taken place and given human a different kind of dimension, a different kind of thought process, and it has made life easier for human beings. So with this, I end this chapter, and important notes that are required to be written, I'll be forwarding you, and hope we all are keeping ourselves healthy and safe by following certain important rules and regulations. It is seen that changes have taken place in regarding to our life, in regarding to health process, or there are certain relaxation, but still we should follow the government rules, regulations, and keep ourselves safe and secure. Thank you very much.